guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to start off with that brown from the Morphe 35V palette, and I'm just going to blend that out and use that as my transition color. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Me just being silly. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm just going to use that black out of there and just blend that in my crease, just to make it, you know, more kind of like a smoky a little bit, just to give my crease a little bit more definition. Now I'm going to go ahead with my Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the color ND3, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that to cut my crease. And guys, don't be scared to go above your crease. It makes your cut crease look so much better, I promise. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the shimmer shade and just put that on my lid where I cut the crease. Now I'm going to use that same brown I used as my transition color and just put that on the sides. My baby, she's so sweet, y'all. And then I'm going to use the Sephora Watermelon Makeup Wipes and just remove the excess fallout. And this is the Sephora Brush Tip Liquid Liner. With eyeliner, especially with liquid, you just want to take your time. That is the key. Just take your time. The lashes I'm going to use is the I Envy 3D Collection number 17. These are one of my favorite lashes, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply those on. I did already cut them to the shape of my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. If your skin is dry, this is the perfect primer for you. It really plumps and hydrates the skin before foundation. The foundation I'm using is the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation in the color 6W1 Ganache. And also I'm using a beauty blender to blend that all out. I like using a beauty blender because it gives it more of an airbrush finish. Now I'm going to go ahead and use that same concealer I used to cut my crease. And I'm just going to do triangle shapes under both of my eyes. As well as my chin, my little cupid's bow, in the middle of my nose, and also my forehead. And now we're just going to go ahead and blend that all out. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Laura Mercier Translucence Powder in the color Medium Deep. And I'm just going to put that everywhere that I put my concealer. I don't really bake. It's after I finish doing all my areas, I just go back and use that same beauty blender and just pat in the powder. I like to pat it into the skin so I won't get any flashback. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in the color Medium to Deep, and I'm just going to contour the sides of my cheekbones, also the sides of my nose, and the sides of my forehead. It just gives you a more sculpted look. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm just going to use that deep pink color. And to know where to put your blush, all you have to do is smile and get the apples of your cheeks. Now I'm going to use that same brown, and I'm just going to pat that right under my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Sephora Black Pencil Eyeliner and put that under my eye as well. Setting spray I'm using is the Urban Decay All Nighter And then now I'm using a Sephora gel lip liner in the color Molasses. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Sephora lip stain in the color Classic Beige number 2. And I'm putting that in the center of my lips. And then I'm using the Fenty Beauty Glass Bomb lip gloss in the color Fuzzy. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Told my nigga if he take the stand, better stay true. Always thought you'd ride for me. Till the day he ain't ride for me. Show the smile, you show the frown.